What's going on, Fit Family? Coach Pat back at it again, bringing you that energy through health, fitness, and wellness. Let's start the week off with a no equipment, body weight workout that's gonna make you sweat. We got 8 movements only. That's all we're working with. It's gonna be about 10 minutes or so. We're gonna spend 50 seconds on and 20 seconds to rest. Yes, you heard it right. 50 seconds and 20 seconds of rest. So you're gonna get really acquainted with every single move that we are doing today. So make sure that you stretch. If you haven't already, stop this video, go stretch right now, come back to your boy, and then we'll go ahead and we'll get after it, all right? Make sure you have your water, make sure you have one of your mats if you have a mat, make sure you have some open space, and make sure that you're ready to have fun. All right, are we ready to work? Are we ready to rock and roll? I know you are. I know you're ready to get after it. I know you're ready to get that sweat going. So let's go ahead and let's get after it. Body weight only. Let's go. Let's go.
Out for the heavy hitters. 50 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. 8 rounds, baby. Hit music in the house.
3, 2, 1, go, go.
Round 1.
1, break, break, break. Three, two, one, go, go.
Round 2.
One, break, break, break.
Get Hit music on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, Google Play, and many more online music stores.
3, 2, 1, go, go.
Round 3.
One, break, break, break. Three, two, one, go, go.
Round 4.
break, break.
Get Hit Music on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, Google Play, and many more online music stores.
3, 2, 1, go, go.
Round 6. Let's go.
Three, two, one, break, break, break. Three, two, one, go, go.
Round 7. Get your ass up.
Three, two, one, break, break, break. Three, two, one, go, go, go.
Final round. Okay.
Three, two, one, break, break.
This is how champs train. Good job. Get Hit Music on iTunes, Spotify, Apple